How to fix Teams cannot add guest. To fix the Teams cannot add guest error, first of all, that you must ensure that global grant access is explicitly enabled in the Microsoft 365 Teams and Entra ID administrative admin centers. If guest access is turned off at the corporate level, typing an external email address into the member invite box will instantly trigger a "we didn't find any matches" error because the Teams guest access relies on a multi-layered security ecosystem. So, if you are an employee, team owner, or end user, you simply have to type the entire email address natively. You simply have to go ahead and open the team name on your desktop, then tap the three dotted icon or the more options, and then tap the add member option and type out the complete exact email address of the guest, and then you simply have to now click the drop down banner below that says add email as a guest. Want to do this? Your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.